alcohol doesn't solve any problems, but today it's going to solve this. Okay, come on. Alcohol is a solution and cause of every problem. I think that's what like Homer Simpson would say. Remember, it doesn't need to be perfect. What I care the most about is that CPU. This is really caked in there, so. And when you're taking it off these this area, just don't use a crazy amount of force because you don't want to dislodge one of those and then you have to do soldering and do more work than you really need to. I just want to get as much as I can.